Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to force restart or soft reset your POCO M8. So if your phone is, for example, frozen and you can't really access the interface or anything, nothing seems to respond, there's a way to restart your phone without actually touching anything on the screen. And to do that, all you need to do is just simply hold the power button and the volume up buttons at the same time until the phone turns off. So just keep holding them. It shouldn't take really long. And once that's done, the phone will turn off and restart itself. So there you go. It's powering back on. So let's just wait for the phone to power back on. And once it's on, it's going to take you to this little menu. And all you need to do is just use the volume keys to navigate through the menus. And then we're going to use the up keys to go to Reboot and tap on the power key to confirm the action. And do the same thing again. So reboot to system and just wait for the phone to restart. Okay, so the phone has almost restarted. As we can see, the screen has changed. So just a couple more seconds and the phone will be back on and fully operational. As you can see, if your phone was frozen before, that might fix it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.